Hi everyone, let's draw and color today. Pusheen the Cat. Let's start by drawing Pusheen riding on a scooter. Pusheen likes to go on adventures in her imagination. Where do you think Pusheen's next adventure will be? It's time to color. Pinky, bring on the color. Terrific! Now, let's draw Pusheen with cupcake. Pusheen sometimes bakes yummy cakes and cookies. Would you like to bake with Pusheen? Time to add some color. Pinky, throw some color. Wonderful! Then, I'm drawing Pusheen full of love. Pusheen has adorable whiskers and a tiny nose. Do you like drawing pictures of cats with cute whiskers? It's time to color. Pinky, throw some color. Fabulous! Lastly, let's draw Pusheen floating with balloons. Pusheen loves to celebrate special occasions with balloons and confetti. Time to add some color. Pinky, bring on the color. Amazing! We did a great job! And there you have it! I hope you have fun today! Thanks for watching!